People. Okay, hey people, so we are at this place called Parampara, and this is a dal kachori, and that is a corn samosa. Ayush, let me also have a bite of it. And this, you are supposed to dip it with the chutney. Basically, my child and me are on a food trail. Ayush, what are we on? That means, what does a food trail mean, Ayush? It means travel, just trying out these different places. And Ayush, can you take a bite of this and tell me how it is? You know what they do? They normally put the chutney inside. So take a bite of it now. How's it? Bite, bigger bite, sweetheart. Okay, now can you put the chutney in? It becomes like a big golgappa. Okay, this looks nice.